Hi, I'm Christy.
And I'm the guy standing next to her.
I'm an interior designer.
And I am a contractor.
And we bought an A-frame here in the Pocono Mountains.
And we love them so much, we're gonna build another one. So follow us along.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. What is a good superhero without an origin story? So we bought this beautiful cabin in the Pocono Mountains. It's an A-frame.
It is a total fixer-upper.
Yeah, but we have all this land too.
Got a good deal on it.
A great deal.
Yes.
Yeah.
We've already started doing some projects inside, some cool stuff.
Yeah, we did the loft. It's a beautiful space. We completely redid it. It looks great. We have this big, beautiful land with a gorgeous view of the lake. And we're gonna take this big A-frame and we're gonna make it like a little mini A-frame for all of our friends and family to come see us. And this is it.
That's what we got for you.
That's what we got.
This may not end well.
But have no fear. We are going to make this space beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Yes.
Imagine with us for a minute. Imagine with us.
Yes.
What's it gonna look like?
Some deck space.
Gorgeous deck space.
Beautiful chairs overlooking a view of the lake.
You can also keep warm by the fire because we are gonna do a fire pit where you can roast some marshmallows, but it's gonna be adorable.
Yeah. Outdoor shower, so you can shower under the stars.
Magical.
Yes.
Yes. Glass window fronts of the A.
Yes.
Yeah.
For additional viewing of the lake.
Yes, because it's a beautiful view. Yeah.
Geometric floors inside.
My favorite.
So some geometric shapes to accent the floor.
Yeah, it's really good bed storage too because we're gonna need a lot of storage.
We're gonna build that. And some side tables that we're also gonna build. A-frame's difficult, so we're gonna have to.
Yeah. Compost toilet. Don't forget about the compost toilet.
Gotta have a compost toilet.
Gotta have one.
That allows for no sewage lines.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah. Yeah.
But before all
we do
that, we got a lot of work to do.
Yeah.
That's an extensive list of projects that have Miss Modify.
This is gonna be very interesting.
So we're standing on the site, and the next thing we'd have to do is lay the foundation.
By using the pad.
Yep. We're laying pads because
Well, this ground is very rocky.
we're in the
Tons of rocks.
We're in the mountains, yes.
Yeah. So in order to lay like a concrete form and to fill it and to dig down past the rocks is not feasible for us.
We're not doing it.
No, not doing it. So
Yeah, so we're gonna put the pads down, and then we're gonna level the area out, lay the
square it up.
lay the framework. Yep, square it up, and we'll be good to go.
Yeah. Us city folk trying to be country. My husband is trying to be mountainous. He's doing great.
First things first, let's get this land cleared. Just keep going. Keep going. Yeah! Ladies first.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. My lady.
Oh, thank you. My leaves. Should I go here? Like here?
Right about there, it's fine.
We gotta measure it out. We have our general section of what we're doing, but now we've gotta measure it out and then we're gonna square it up.
Are you in the center?
Yeah.
That's a perfect spot.
Perfect spot. Immediately, perfect spot. Great.
All right.
So we're measuring these out. Our square is going to be 12 by 12. So we're really trying to get these to be even.
Yeah, get it, girl.
So, let's see if I can't get this.
You're not gonna get that.
Well, at least moved.
Muscle through it.
Okay, that's not ideal.
All right, well,
That's right where we need to be.
have
Gonna
some
need to get
issues.
some of these rocks out.
Should I come help you? I got a shovel. I got a little spade
Yeah,
here.
that's what I need. Shovel.
Which one are you looking for here?
This one. This one's gotta come out. So I've been living in this city for the last 20 years of my life, and so mountains are different, and I'm learning to love the rivers and the trees, but I also love to take the modern feel of what I get in the city and apply it to the woods.
Stamp it down.
Damn it.
Give it a good stamp.
I join you. Stamp together.
Sure.
Okay, if that was you and me stomping around, our planet would be destroyed.
Oh yeah, we crush it.
That should be right there.
There we go.
Perfect.
Okay.
All right. All right, cool. We are squared up.
All squared up.
Awesome. Okay, all right, move on. We're moving
move
on. And now we're gonna build a deck.
Yeah, let's build this deck.
Let's do it.
Ready?
You ready?
Do it.
Do it. So I'm gonna put mine over here.
Yeah, I gotta check for crown of the wood though.
The wood.
And the crown of the board is the curve of the wood.
Yes.
All wood has a curve to it, and you just want the curve
To
up.
go like a mountain.
Yeah, well, you want it up so that over time it settles into place. Drop it in. That
Not
side's-
bad.
Oh, this side's high, yeah. There's gonna be some settling, especially on that side, because there's no rocks under that at this point. This was on flat,
Yeah.
so that will go down a little
Okay.
bit as we put some weight on it.
Okay, so you're taking off 3.5 inches because the post is 3.5 inches, and you want it to remain a 12 by 12. And if we did not measure out and take away those 3.5 inches, then it would not be a 12 by 12 anymore. So.
He really needs a new saw blade.
Sir,
Yes, he does.
where are your safety goggles?
On.
Safety first.
Have my goggles on. You don't see them?
No, we went the other way. We went this way. Yep.
Back down.
Yeah.
She's so smart.
I'm really good at directional.
So smart.
Okay, but this is where the magic happens. Let me help you there. Down.
Down.
Yep. More. Sorry, opposite. So we're gonna go up. More, please.
I'm gonna lose it here.
Continue to go up.
This stuff's
please.
heavy,
There you
girl.
go. Keep going.
Come on. Oh my.
Keep
Come
going.
on this.
Get.
You're gonna
Just
get
a little more.
You're gonna get it.
Just a little more. A little more.
Higher?
Yep. Right
There it is.
there.
Yes.
We have a winner.
That's
it's right
it.
there.
That's it.
That's it. That's it.
Trying to go right.
Like a glove. Why'd she say it like that?
Maybe it's her catchphrase.
Like a glove.
Yep, we're good.
So on the back, we're putting on angle brackets just to secure this corner.
She looks like she's got a nail through her hand.
It's not as tight as I would like it,
Well,
you know?
they're sitting on the ground though, right? They're both sitting down.
Yep.
As good as it's gonna go. The block holds it in too. So the block is also holding it.
Okay.
The perfectionist in you?
Yeah.
Huh. This is called rough framing for a reason. It's rough.
He's not serious, is he?
Perfection is paramount. All the finish work is where it counts.
Yeah.
No one sees this,
Yeah.
except for you guys.
As long as it's sturdy, stable, we're good.
Do you remember which way we laid this
No, I
thing
don't.
down? Oh, he lost
I was
it.
not paying attention.
All right.
If I were to like guess, I would say this one.
You'd be wrong. You can kind of tell by the way the grain moves.
Okay, well.
See how the grain moves?
Yes, I do.
Like that?
Yes.
So that's the way it wants to.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
If you didn't know, now you know.
Now I know. The more you know.
All right, grab the level.
Level.
So I'm a Leo. If you want to know more about me,
Just in case you wanted to know.
just in case you want
He's
to
a
know more
Leo.
about me, I'm a Leo. I was born in August, just had a birthday. I'm kidding.
This guy is basically self-taught. Like, he can figure anything out. So I know a lot of people ask, like,
I'm mechanically minded.
he just is. He just thinks of things and does them. He just thinks like in his mind, oh yeah, I want to do that. Oh, and then this is how I'm going to do it. Okay, let's go do it. And my mind is blown. Oh, look at her encouraging him. You two have so much in common. My mind's blown. I do not work that way, but this guy does. But he has actually taken some classes on doing electrical and doing HVAC so that he can be able to build.
Let's see if this guy will cut. You're strong, girl.
I know, right? Fun fact about Paul, he was in the military and literally lost a finger.
Can't see it now.
Can't see it. Can't see it because he's got a glove
I
on.
hide that thing.
But yeah, ripped right off. This man still going. But yeah,
I have a strong work ethic.
he does. He
Sometimes
does.
it's too strong.
It's to perfection over here.
Thank you for holding the board for me.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'm not a framer, and
Ow. Jeez.
I've still done my fair share of nailing and nails.
The loft. The loft.
Yeah, well,
There were so
the
many
loft-
nails in that loft.
The loft I had to do twice as many.
We did. For the mess up.
I did it twice.
Oh my goodness, what is happening over here? I don't really build, except I started building. I built a shelf, a
She's
mirror,
a builder at heart.
a cabinet, and an entry table just recently. So I'm getting the hang of it, but does not come naturally.
It's much better when you have power tools.
So if I can do it, you can do it. This reminds me of a bed frame.
Yeah,
Like
very similar.
a very large bed frame.
That's all that's gonna fit in this A-frame anyway, so.
Basically a bed. You're gonna walk in, it's me a bed. So.
Go ahead, start walking. Which
But you turn it.
Go.
Which way you turn
You're
it?
walking.
All
You're
right.
You lead, I follow.
Communication. Communication.
You lead, I follow. Isn't that always the way?
No, it's not.
All
Mr.
let's-
Leader.
Let's lay it up on top. Actually, let's just lay yours down. All the way on the ground.
Okay.
I'll cut this side off here.
It's a 12 by 12 A-frame with 16-foot rafters because those are standard measurements you're going to find at your local hardware store. We minimized waste, less cuts, works out for everybody.
How much are you taking off?
I don't know, but I know the full measurement, 140 and a half.
Great.
But let's measure twice.
Yes.
Sound like a good idea? You have,
Great.
You have the tape and everything.
Great.
I measured 3 times.
It takes you forever.
All right, let's crown it. Can you guess which side's the crown it?
No.
See how the grain's kind of like
I see a lot of
moving.
leafy
I
grains.
know,
I
but
see
there's a
grains
majority of
like-
it. There's a majority of the grain going this way. You see how they're going up? Even this lower one has pieces that go up, right? So I'm guessing it's on this side.
Okay.
And it is.
Sure.
But
Surely it is.
I wouldn't have told you any. I wouldn't have told you any
I
different
know.
anyway.
I know. Yeah. See how that happens?
I was right.
Right.
Of course I was right. Slide it in there. Thanks, Joe.
Well, this outdoor construction is just not my strong suit. I love design. And as we're like doing this foundation work, all I can think about is how are we gonna make it pretty? And I had a great idea. So I had an idea of, I know we already have an outdoor shower, but what if we did an outdoor bath as well? And the bath was like a horse trough. And the horse trough was beautiful. And it was on a little platform. I have to convince my husband, but it's gonna be so good. Like a bed frame.
Like a glove. Name that movie.
Dumb and Dumber.
Dumb and Dumber.
One of my all-time faves.
Fact check.
No, no,
Nope.
no. No.
Like a glove.
Only one hit to the thumb. Only one.
Yeah. You usually only do it when here.
Oh, I got it.
You usually only hit your thumb once.
One time is enough.
And you're very careful of that.
All right. Last nail
Mic drop.
in.
That's a mic.
Huh?
Mic drop.
Mic drop. Mic drop.
Lavalier drop. So we still have to measure out, put the joist hangers on, drop all the joists. We're gonna cut them now because we want this thing to be a perfect 12 by 12. And then we have to put all the deck boards on, put a bunch of brackets in for the uprights, build the uprights, secure the
It's gonna be
uprights.
so good.
Yeah,
It's gonna be
it'll
good.
be good. It'll be good. It's always nice to build something.
Yeah. I can't believe we're finally building this little mini A-frame. So far, we have laid the foundation of what's going to be some amazing memories to be made in the future. What about you? Would you stay here?
Tell us what your favorite place is in the comments.
Make sure you smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed because
Yeah.
this is just the beginning and there's going to be a lot of fun to
You
come.
want to be notified.
Can't wait to see what they do next.